Welcome back to the channel. You live cooking with Keith. We got some chicken wings putting on the grill. Well, I already got it on the grill actually. And what I did, I took some Frank's Red Hot original seasoning, some black pepper, and some complete seasoning. Season them well. Let them marinate for 24 hours. Throw them on the grill. That's what you're looking at now. There's some onions down there on the grill also. Give more flavor. Alright, we back. This is what we're looking at right here. About done. Go ahead and throw some sauce on it. And I'll be back. Final remark. Alright, we got some sauce on these wings now. I'm gonna keep rotating them. Salsa, rotate, sauce, rotate. And then what's gonna happen is that barbecue sauce gonna get very sticky on there. I'm talking about something good. Alright. Chicken wings are all done. Bring them in the house. Eat them up. Watch a little football today. Thank you for watching. Cooking with Keith Smith. These are my barbecue wings.